Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool Mizma right here, and basically what this is a pet nail grinder. So you basically use the part right here to cut like your pet nails. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here, if you can see. If you can see on the side of the package right here, they provide you guys some specs and information about the product right here. So it has two different speed levels on here. It takes roughly 3 hours to fully charge it up. On one full charge, it should give you guys around 2 hours of usage. And the product is definitely rechargeable using a USB cable, which is actually included for you guys. And in the back right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. But that is basically everything that's on the package right here. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like and also show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so we guys first open up. This is basically actually looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so first thing you see inside right here, they provide you guys a little warning card right here to teach you guys how to use the product correctly. So all the information is right here on this side right here. And also right here, they do provide the user manual as well. And then right here, if you can see, we do have the actual product right here. And then here, the cable that's actually provided for you guys. So you definitely want to use that to recharge the product. But let's take both of them out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so here is the cable that's provided for you guys, which is USB to micro USB. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product. And right here is the actual product. So when we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like here. So you can see they do have the logo right there, and then here's a button to actually activate it. And also comes with a little cap right here to give you guys that protection when you guys use it. So that way you don't have to worry about hurting yourself or anyone else. And the very bottom right here, that is basically where you're gonna plug in the cable to actually recharge it. And also you can see in the bottom part right here, they do have an indicator light to show you guys when the product is charging. And probably will show you guys when the product is on or off as well. But when we take off the lid right here, this is basically what the inside looks like. So they do give you guys the option to use this option right here if you guys want to put your nail right here to cut it. Or if you guys want to take off this part right here like this, you can definitely do that as well. So whether you want to use this option right here or use it with the cap on, you can definitely use both options depending on your pet's preference and everything. But basically the way how you turn it on is by pushing the switch right here. Alright, so you can see it definitely does work. And also for this part right here, it actually has different speed level on here. So here's speed level 1. And then here's speed level 2. So depending on how strong you guys want to be, you can definitely adjust that on here. But let's do another test using this one right here, which is cardboard box. So we turn it on. You guys can see how sharp the actual product works. So if you guys want to cut your pet nails, it definitely works on here, which is pretty nice. So I'm actually plugging the cable right now first to show you guys how to know when it's charging first. Alright, so basically I'm plugging the bottom part right here. If you can see, once you plug it in, you can see the light pops on right here. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. So I'm assuming once that light stops blinking, then that is how you guys know when it's fully charged. So obviously if it's your first time using this product for your pet, you probably want to get them used to the sound first. Because if you guys immediately use it on them, they won't like the sound. Alright, so we got the product. Let's test it out. Alright, so you can see the difference between this one right here versus this one right here. This one's still a little bit sharp, and this one is not. So after we use the grinder, it definitely helps a lot. If you guys can see the difference right here, you can definitely see the difference between both of these right here. But you can see the product definitely does work if you guys want to use this product for your pet's nail. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have like pets, or even if you guys want to cut your own nails using this product, you definitely can as well. So if you guys are trying to look for a high quality nail cutter or nail grinder to use to cut your pet's nail, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.